Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. After reading this ourselves, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. We strive to give and provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.